Whole home coverage. The eero mesh Wi-Fi system brings up to 4,500 square foot of fast, reliable Wi-Fi to your home. Works with Alexa with eero and an Alexa device, not included. You can easily manage Wi-Fi access for network profiles to take focus away from screens and back to what's important. Works with your internet service provider. eero replaces your Wi-Fi router and works with most major internet service providers. Set up in minutes. The eero app guides you through setup and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Don't let Wi-Fi slow you down. Get the most from your Wi-Fi by streaming, gaming, and working across your home. Gets better over time. Receive automatic updates to help keep your network safe and secure. Online security and additional network management features available via a separate subscription. Experience the eero True Mesh difference. eero's patented True Mesh technology intelligently routes traffic to reduce drop-offs and dead spots. Easily expand your system. With cross-compatible hardware, you can add eero products as your needs change. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Whole home coverage. The eero mesh Wi-Fi system brings up to 4,500 square foot of fast, reliable Wi-Fi to your home. Works with Alexa with eero and an Alexa device, not included. You can easily manage Wi-Fi access for network profiles to take focus away from screens and back to what's important. Works with your internet service provider. eero replaces your Wi-Fi